Hey, did you come? What are you doing? Why are you throwing your bag?
Mother, please put my bag inside. I am going to play.
Hey, drink the tea. Today I prepare your favorite snack.
I have no time. Friends are waiting in the ground.
At least put off your uniform.
No, mother, I have no time.
Why are we? What's the time now?
Sorry, mom.
Okay, take a bath. Don't you have any homework?
Yes, I have. I will take a bath. Where is Rihan?
He is doing his homework. Help him to do his work.
Okay. Mom, tomorrow I have exam.
Did you study?
Yes.
Okay, come. It's time for dinner.
Hi, my favorite noodles.
Yeah.
Thank you, mom.
Oh my dear son, I am proud of you, Conrad. Here is a small gift from me.
A mobile phone. Thank you, mom.
Shibrin, open the door. What are you doing here?
Can't you see? I am studying. Who is that? Come in. I failed in the game.
Hey Shibrin, what's the problem?
He irritated my studying.
Okay, don't irritate him, okay? Come. Shibrin, open the door. Your friends are waiting outside.
Leave me alone. I don't want to go outside. Mom.
Yes,
I want 500 rupees to buy new gate.
500 rupees. For what?
I want a new gate.
I can't give you any money. Which grade you want? I will buy it for you tomorrow.
No, I want money now itself.
No, I am not ready to give you money.
Yes. Yes, I got it.
Shibrin, why did you take money from my account?
Me? No way.
I know you well. You are lying.
No.
If you are not ready to tell me, I will inform this to your father.
Sorry, mom. I take money to play online games. There are so many people who achieve millions from the online game. But always I am a loser. So they demand more money. I can't play now. I can't sleep now. I can't study now. I want to play with my friends. I want to study. I want a happy family. So mom, please take this phone. I don't need it.
It's a good decision, my dear boy.
Mobile phone is very important in our daily life. Nowadays classes are through the online, so a smartphone is very important in our life. We can access any information through our phone, but it has some dangerous sides too.
Video games are inadvisable for young kids as the light from the screen can adversely affect their eyes. Such games also expose tender mind to inappropriate values and morals. Parents can buy craft kits to make the children busy.